Happy Friday. Still being therapeutic. This is Okan Owusu Ziad, aka Z-Rock, aka XTRA-O. To the woo-soo. And that woo-soo. I just want to say, this is how my life has been when you look at this rain. And it's not pouring down cats and dogs right now, but it has been off and on. This is light rain. But no matter how much it rains, whether it's drizzling, just light rain, or heavy rain, the message I just got is I am kept like I am, just like right now inside this car. So if I was standing or sitting, because I won't be standing, if I was sitting anywhere outdoors in the woods and it was pouring down raining, the trees with the big fat leaves will keep me dry. It's like my invisible poncho. I am comforted. I am kept with comfort. And I'm still a firm believer that all things are possible. So then when we start talking about comfort, edification, exhortation, you start talking about prophesying versus what they say in the old school, prophet-lying. No, prophesying versus prophecy. And breaking down words at its origin, stripping deception all the way down to the core. We say their meanings and strip the glory from their names. We say their meanings and strip the glory from their names. We say their meanings, strip the glory from their names. We say their meanings and strip the glory from their names. We say their meanings, strip the glory from their names. We say their meanings, strip the glory from their names. We say their meaning, then we strip the glory from the name. We say their meanings, then we strip the glory from their names. Stripping out deception. The mind is the weapon. We strip it. Strip it. On down to the core. To the core. Yeah, we strip it. Strip it. On down to the core. On down to the core. Need I say more? Now. See, I like what I was doing last night. Was that last night or was that this morning? I'll be working a lot of hours. Maybe it was this morning. It was recently. How about that? The last YouTube video I just did, I was vibing off of Be Careful With Me. And I like what I was putting out there, man. That was, I think I want some more of that. So I'm going to go and I'm going to pull up that song instrumental and see what it's like. I'm going to play around with it a little bit. I'm gonna get back with y'all. You know what I'm saying? WOODIA is sleeping right now, so I'm not gonna say her name. So right now, this is just about me. You know what I'm saying? But later on, I might bring her on up here. You know what I'm talking about? That's my boo thing. And not too loud, because I don't want to wake her up. I'm trying not to talk too loud. Y'all have a blessed day, man. And, hey, what you hear me say is already stamped. It's for the biters out there. Okay? I don't care what you heard out there. You ain't heard it from me. This don't matter. Just don't bite it. What you have heard me recite, it's already been recited. But I got something for you to swallow. And I'm going to hear the words, they swallowed it. Because I got something for you to swallow. They swallowed it. Be careful who you follow. Woo! Y'all better be careful who you follow. What leader are you following? Hey, I'm going to wrap this up, man. The man that asked me the question, what are you accountable to? No, it wasn't what. Who? I'm still dealing with that, pondering that. You know, I'm pondering on that. Pondering on that. Okay? And blah. Right? I'm still pondering on that in the sense of I want to be accountable. So I think of deadlines. Deadlines, it's a challenge for you to be accountable to complete whatever needs to be completed by a deadline. But there's a who that is involved. And that lets me know. Because I've had plenty of mentors. I'm so glad and excited my life is changing around because I just heard the song that the higher powers, it's not through writing my story, and he's still working with me, still being patient with me, and well, if I look at it as a he, or if I look at it as a it doesn't matter, because I'm not trying to look at anything a certain way at all. I'm just believing that all things is possible, and I know that this higher power, who the world calls God, the power of God Almighty, it's not through writing my story. And I can't wait to get up there and grab that microphone, strip that deception out down to the core, down to the bone. I gotta go.